I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotions.
Hi everyone! So, as promised, gagawa tayo ng cassava fritters o tinatawag sa Pilipinas na ukoy, or here we will going to call it as cassava fritters, or cassava is tapioca in Hindi. It's tapioca, what do you call this one? Tapioca fritters. Yan parang natin, i-fry natin. So, we will need a grated cassava. Ayan. Generate ko na siya. It's a raw cassava. Buti na lang meron dito. So, I brought it from a Kela restaurant. Kela shop. Raw. And then, ginigid ko talaga siya. Generate ko siya. Yan. So, we'll need that. And then we need a spring onion and of course turmeric. Ayan. So, and later lalagyan natin ng pinch of salt lang. Ayan. So ngayon, after na-grate, so meron pa siyang water, right? So there's a water. So we have to squeeze it. We have to squeeze the water first. Or ano natin, tawag dito? Ayan, tatanggalin natin yung water niya. So squeeze natin siya. Okay? Okay, so to squeeze it, nilagay ko siya sa I kept it in a white cloth. Yan, so that it will be easy for us to squeeze. Yan. Okay, so ayan na. Na-squeeze na siya. We have already squeezed it. Okay. And then we will going to put a pinch of salt. So ayan, lagyan natin siya ng pinch of salt. Ayan, then i-mix natin siya. Okay, and then we'll add turmeric. Mga half teaspoon ng turmeric lang. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. And then we'll add our spring onion. Ayan. Then we'll mix it well. Ayan. So, ayan. Okay, so ayan na. So, ang gagawin natin next is we are going to form bigyan pa konti yung little one. We're going to form it like a oval type. Ganyan. Then we'll fry it. Okay, so we are going to make our pan hot. Naglagay na ako ng oil. Okay, so in a slow flame. And then, nag-roll na rin ako. Ayan. So, ilalagay natin ng isa-isa. Ayan. Okay, so it will look like this now. Ayan. So, we're going to fry both sides. Ayan. Okay, so, eto na. The other side is already cooked. It will be look like this. Ayan. It is going to look like this. Okay. So, meron pa. Ayan, so pag once it is okay, once it is cooked, just you can transfer it in the tissue first, at least to remove the excess oil. Ayan, so almost done na lahat. Okay, so eto na, our snacks is ready. Okay, so in Ilonggo, in our language, in my native language, we call it ukoy. Sometimes we use prawns or shrimp inside. And it really tastes nice. And then sometimes we don't, since there is no there is turmeric in Philippines, but if in case it's not available, we use colored powder so that it will become yellow. Ayan. So okay, so it is ready now. So hope you like our simple snack recipe. We call it cassava fritters or tapioca pakoda. Thank you so much again for watching, and please do like and subscribe dun pa sa hindi nagsasubscribe. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye-bye.